28s, heavy Chevys, watch them skate out on the freeway. I'm cruising this on replay, never could get a ticket. Slow lane, bumping SOS band, just reminiscing.
What up, y'all? What up, y'all? My name is Fam. We back with another video. So it's kind of early this morning. It's probably like 7:50. We ain't running late, but we about to try to hit Cars and Coffee today. Start around 8 o'clock, but I gotta make an errand. I gotta make a one stop. You know what I'm saying? So we might be solo today. A few of the fellas got some stuff going on. So probably be solo, like I said. Aaron, the homie with the blue OBS, he said he might put his back together. He was trying to get the AC fixed, so he had to drop the whole dashboard. My road dog, Zoe always be with me. You know what I'm saying? Everywhere I go, he got his down right now because he getting the floors done. So, and a couple other guys, theirs is down too. So, one of them made a comment, say, "Hey, you know, y'all got it." Wasn't no shade, but I mean, I ain't tripping about none of that. You know what I'm saying? Because you know, I messed out a whole lot past couple years, so I'm just making up for lost time. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna enjoy every moment. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, this is like therapy to me. So if I can get up, you know what I'm saying, that's half the battle. I can go ahead, you know what I'm saying, make these little meets and stuff like that. Plus, like I said, just riding, you know what I'm saying, whether I'm solo or not, it's therapy for me. So we're gonna do what we gotta do. Y'all already know. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and wipe the truck down. You know what I'm saying? Wipe the wheels down. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. All right. What up, y'all? What up, y'all? We just pulled up. It's a decent little crowd. Not as packed as last month, but it's a decent little crowd though. So we're gonna go ahead and take a little walk around and whatnot, and we're gonna see what's up.
Street car show coming up.
Morning.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
All right now. Yeah. So we're gonna see what's up. The homie Zoe did call. Road partner. He ain't never missed nothing, but he said he had to wash his. I won't worry about washing mine. It's supposed to rain later anyway. But we gonna get some footage. All right. Go ahead and turn y'all around. Old school vet. He was here last time. Morning.
Morning, how you doing, buddy?
All right.
I don't know, I find that I've seen on yours you got the police on. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Real old school with the white walls. 1930.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, he's got a subwoofer.
55.
So you didn't have to, you know, cut
He's got a subwoofer under the seat. I mean, if I want to adjust the bass. Yeah. See, somebody will go, I don't listen. I'm assuming no, I tried.
We're just gonna walk down and walk back up. Nice Beamer. He always out here. Morning. Mustang. Maserati out here. hard. I can't even lie. That old Bad Boys 1 Porsche, a 911. Yeah, that's cool. That's real cool right there. C-Mac. Morning. Yeah, ain't that much people out here. Probably because of that air quality. Canadian fires. Probably why ain't that many people out. That's what they say.
Still four-wheel drive, leave it alone. Still four-wheel drive, yeah, mine's a four-wheel drive. Okay, yeah, then you guys start riding the extreme angle. Do that, but you get more of the four-wheel drive. You gotta start,
Morning.
Said it's what year?
Bad right there. And LS swap.
Actually, it's the LS. Same motor I got to do. Oh, really? Oh.
Good old LS swap in there.
Oh, yeah. That's where they came up with the fuel.
442.
It's a 241 head.
Clean paint job on it. Morning.
Is that a G8?
Yeah, that's what it's looking like. But they debadged it. Yeah.
I see that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Did a little different.
Back in the day, you know, back in the day when you hit combine and all that.
That's hard.
So I turned it into a hot rod, like a track back in, track back on.
Nice vet. My mom and dad favorite color right here. Nice burgundy, maroon. That's sweet. With the peanut butter gut. I'm gonna cut that back on a little bit. Let me walk around, talk to a few people I've seen that I know, and I'll cut that back on. All right.
B92 M3 V8. The only M3 to have a V8. I honestly think they should have that option.
Yeah, you know,
It's not just only having the 186.
I think that's why the values went up a little bit.
I like them. I have an M3 like this in FH6 with a very similar wide body. And it's sick. The wheels are not the same. But it looks so good. Rear wheel drive, you can get it in a 4-door or 2-door, right? I've seen them in the 4-door and I think the 4-door
Boy, you know it's shit, don't
I mean, honestly, I do like it.
2-door looks the best.
E92 is the best looking. I mean, I like them both. You know what I mean?
E46 though.
E90 looks a little wider in the back. Oh, E40. Yeah.
Old school Civic. That's clean.
I got a Rolls Royce. I get two named Just the look of it, dude. It's one of those. If you got that kind of money, you get one, and you have that. You know, you've seen these people with these garages. They put 20 cars in their garage, and you have that little bit of circular.
But shoot, it's thinning out a little bit, y'all. Thinning out a little bit. We'll see. I may cut y'all back on. I may not. We'll see. But stay tapped in. All right. We're gonna see what else we got store for today. All right. All right, y'all. It's fading out real thin. I'm probably gonna gray head out. The homie Zoe supposed to pull it up. He ain't pull up, so like I said, I had solo today. But you know we gonna make it do what it do. Ain't that G6 sound good? He cammed out too. He cammed out. Yeah, it's starting to thin out, like I said. So we're gonna go ahead head out. Oh yeah, he sounded good. He cammed up. Cammed up hard. Dang. There we go. This guy got a nice one too. Yeah, folks trying to pull out now. Hey y'all, so we're gonna end it like that, you know what I'm saying? We're doing what we gotta do by any means, but y'all keep it locked, you know what I'm saying? We got some stuff brewing, we got some stuff about to happen. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, stay locked in, all right? Catch you on the next one. We gone.